new part. OK. Go on top plane, sketch, polygon, make sure this is 6. OK. Click on the origin. Select Smart Dimension. Now, here are two ways that we can measure the head of the nut. We can measure the head of the nut from points using the value of E, or we can measure from the lines using the value of S. Right now I'm going to design a nut for 10 millimeters diameter. So I'm looking for the diameter of 10 millimeters, and I'm trying to figure out which is the value of S. The value of S, as you can see here, is 17. So from this line to this line here, 17. Escape. As you can see, my sketch is underdefined. So click one of these lines here and make them horizontal or vertical, doesn't mind. Exit sketch, features, extrude boss. As you can see, my value of M is my height. So here I'm gonna use the maximum value of M, which is 8. 8, enter. OK. The next step is to click on this surface, sketch, click on circle, on the origin, select Smart Dimension, click on circle, and type 10 because I'm designing a nut for 10 millimeters. That's why I type 10 here. Now go to features, select extrude cut. You can leave it as it is, 8 millimeters, or you can change from blind to through all. OK.